Morning guys, another beautiful day. Well, look a little different this morning, got my sun hat on, but I guess what I'm grateful for today is ice cubes. You know what I'm talking about? It is hot out, and we're supposed to get a break from the really hot here next week, I think, so that's going to be awesome. But of course, when you tear open a roof, it's either hot out or it's raining. Oh, such is life. Anyway, I'm in the thick of it this morning, but I thought I'd say hi and appreciate you guys following along. And yeah, so I just thought I'd give you a little update as to what I've been doing. So, good news this morning. I got a couple of the soffits down. You can see here, still got to clean it up. It's a mess, but I got this soffit down and that soffit down. And yeah, they actually come off surprisingly hard, but at the same time, they're not held that well. But this is what I'm finding. You can see where the brick stops about a foot short, and they built those walls on top. See, I think that was the original part of the house. They just put the bricks up high enough to get covered by the soffit. So I'm going to see if I can get a little time lapse of taking this one down if possible. I still got this side and the other side to do. Thought I'd come inside the house and show you what it looks like in here. So open. Last night we got all these walls out of here that were on here. So check out how open it's getting. So we're going to decide yet how much of this concrete block wall we're going to take out of the middle. But for now, I think I'm going to leave it as long as it doesn't interfere with my wall height. So I took the top plates off so it shouldn't interfere with setting trusses or anything. And my main goal is to try to get this under roof again as quickly as possible and get it out of the weather. And then I can work inside again. So I'm excited for that. So that's one reason I'm leaving this old floor for now as well, because I want a place to work off of. It's a little spongy, but it's still solid enough to put a ladder on. And then I don't have to worry about the really deep crawl space for setting trusses or working on these walls. But yeah, these walls are definitely a little wonky, so that's going to take some work to get those lined up with the new part over there. But I'll see what I can do here once I get a chance. But yeah, the main goal, like I said, is get these walls straightened, see how straight everything is, and then hopefully I can get some trusses set next week, but we'll see how the timeline goes. Okay, that did the trick. I got the soffits down. Now for all the massive cleanup everywhere, because they have aluminum soffit and wooden soffit, so it's going to be a lot of cleanup. Alright, well, things are cleaned up pretty good around here. After I took all those soffits off and cleaned them up, that was a lot of work to clean those up. And it was another hot one today. The next couple days, I think the next like 3 or 4 days is supposed to be really hot. Then it's going to get a little rainier and cool down after that. So I'm kind of looking forward to that. But just thought I'd do a little walk through here and show you. Kind of see my wife has been doing some paint samples there. Testing some things out. Show the inside maybe more tomorrow. But yeah, it's clean all the way around. Now it's ready to get the walls all straightened out and leveled and probably reframed for that top little foot section. We'll see about that tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys.